Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This one's gray. Underneath it's a 3.6 V6 with 285 horsepower. This one has 18-inch gray wheels. Jeep Gladiator badging on the side. A dark cloth interior. Top for the bed. Jeep badging, trailer hitch, clean set of all-season floor mats, removable hardtop, steering wheel controls, remote start, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, heated steering wheel, heated seats, dual climate controls. This Jeep has 10,152 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Jeep Gladiator, visit us at feldmanimports.com.